Connect pole AE1 to pole AE2 by rotating them together until securely joined into a single pole. Position poles A and poles B shown in the video. Secure the 4 poles using 4 E-type connectors. Connect pole C1 to pole C2 by rotating them together until securely joined into a single pole C. Insert all 4 poles C vertically into 4 designated holes. Connect 2 D2 poles together using the type D3 connector to form a single integrated pole. Attach the single integrated pole, formed by connecting 2 D2 poles with the type D3 connector. Attach the pole D1. Fully open all zippers and spread the fabric flat. Cover the assembled frame completely with the fabric. Close all zippers. Connect the end of the hose to the white plastic accessory on the sauna room. Connect the other end of the hose to the steam outlet on the pot lid. For the second hose, connect one end to the white steam outlet accessory. Connect the other end to the internal white plastic accessory. Open the steamer pot lid, remove the remote control and white steam outlet accessory. Remove the transparent tab from the remote control. The remote must directly face the steamer's sensor, otherwise, commands may not register. Repeat all steps for the second pot as performed with the first pot. Unfold both chairs and position them inside the sauna tent. Caution: the white steam outlet accessory releases steam. Place it under the chair but maintain a minimum 15.7 inch, 40 centimeters, safe distance from feet. Button functions: on, off, power on, off. Timer, plus, increase, decrease timer duration, range, 595 minutes. Heating, plus, increase, decrease heating level, range, level 19.